In the fall semester, after the summer's over, we tie our loose ends together and we do employment education classes here in the Armory Sports Center. We also are willing to go to classrooms and other community groups and offer it. But what we do is we offer job readiness training. We help them make a cover letter. We help them make a resume. We do a mock interview with them.
The first class was about just basics of things that you should do to get ready to have your first job or just a job in general, like cleaning up your social media, like personal hygiene, because a lot of the people are younger and so they're at the age where they don't really understand personal hygiene as much as adults do. And then after that we had make your own resume where we kind of like walked them through how to do it. Then after that we had a class that was how volunteering helps you get a job, which I've done a lot of volunteering, so I was like really excited about that class. And then the third class was job interviews and questions. We also did how to get recommendation letters and how to ask for those and what you should do like as a follow-up for that. So
I think that the practice they gave you with, both writing the resume and the cover letters and actually doing the interviews was really helpful. Kind of improving whenever I speak to people, the direct eye contact and the confidence is going to be helpful in not just interviewing, but in like day-to-day life.
Personally for myself, I wish I would have had something like this growing up because I definitely took advantage of it because I kind of like to do some like after-school activities kind of like this. But I definitely hope it takes away the nervousness that many of these kids may feel when they first go into their first interviews or when they're first trying to fill out the resume or when they first start doing that cover letter, just through the experience that they got in this class.